How can understanding market trends accelerate your business growth? How can it transform your brand's visibility and consumer engagement? Today, we delve into these questions, examining a real-world example of how Pulse Trends services have empowered a business to reach new heights. Imagine an office accessories company based in Mexico. Their objective? To define and enhance brand awareness among retailers and consumers in the Mexican market. They wanted to generate actionable insights for their social media campaigns and in-store visibility. But how could they achieve this? This is where Pulse Trend entered the picture. Using a blend of qualitative and quantitative research methods, including surveys, focus groups, and market analysis, Pulse Trend gathered comprehensive data on consumer preferences and market trends. These insights were instrumental in tailoring effective social media campaigns. By identifying key trends and consumer preferences, Pulse Trend provided recommendations for engaging content and strategic online presence. The aim was to drive brand visibility and consumer engagement. The results? An enhanced brand awareness that resonated with both retailers and consumers. But Pulse Trend services don't stop at providing insights for social media campaigns. No, they go above and beyond. They bridge IT capabilities with market demands to drive strategic decision-making and business growth. They implement cutting-edge technologies to deliver innovative solutions that optimize processes, enhance customer experiences, and boost operational efficiency. They stay at the forefront of industry trends and advancements to provide predictive insights for informed strategic planning. So, whether you're looking to understand your market better, optimize your processes, or enhance your customer experiences, Pulse Trend has the solutions you need. They're not just a company, they're a dynamic and forward-thinking partner dedicated to empowering your business with innovative solutions that drive growth and success. Remember, the key to business success lies in understanding market trends and consumer behavior. And who better to help you navigate this complex landscape than Pulse Trend, the experts in market research solutions. So don't hesitate. Reach out to Pulse Trend today and take the first step towards transforming your business growth and success.